Golden anniversary, golden spoon, golden cup, golden plate, golden lahat.
Golden couples, right? Are you excited about kambing? Of course not. Oh, see? Very slang. So first, ang unang magsusubo kay Mama Loleng, ang kanyang asawa. Anong nararamdaman mo? Bagong kasal ka na naman. So look, she's very class today, right? Because this is very important. Okay, palakpakan. And of course, ang unang kain ni Papa Ambeng kay Mama Loleng. The first eat. Oh. Of course, the kiss. Yes, the conclusion. So, once again, congratulations to our golden couples as you became stronger and
2 years na.
that's it. Yes. You know, you love each other in spite of everything that's happened in your life. And now, before we will partake our dinner tonight, I'll just call on here in front of Brother Joshua to lead a prayer and, of course, close the prayer.
Wala.
May we request the family to be around with them?
Families who are not that binded because I was able to be within a certain circle where I feel that everyone is valued, everyone is apparently having that very, very big love, not just for me.
Once again, our lovely golden couple. Thank you so much. And of course, this moment, gusto ko namin marinig message na isa sa mga anak ng ating golden couple. Maybe call ang pangalan na anak. She's beautiful right now. Are you agree?
And today, we gather here to celebrate
Love.
the eternal love and devotion you have for each other by the vows you made to your partner many, many years ago. To be exact, 50 years ago. Wala bang nanunod na 50 years ago? Amen? Amen. So, and I'd like to thank the friends and relatives who have joined us today to celebrate this renewal of vows. For those of you who were fortunate enough to witness the first wedding anniversary, sino naka-witness? Pero kung nakatanda, nararamdaman? In your memory, sino ang nandun noon in your first wedding? And this one, the exchange of your marital vows for all those you have had the pleasure of witnessing and love, and this is not only for you, but for your children and for all of us to be inspired so that we will be a better husband and a better wife also the next day. That we can reach 50 years in our life. So, before we go to the exchange of vows, when we get the ring, right? So, usually for the ceremony,
Later.
usually God, God is looking from heaven from two different windows. The windows of holiness and the windows of God. But because it's been today, we're assuming that God is looking from heaven, from the windows of our heart, and the same time holy. And they violate His law. So anong ginawa ng Lord? Though God is love,
Samita mo ka na YouTube yun, hawawan eh.
and nung ikasal tayo, for the first day, syempre, for 50 years, there were mga conflicts in our marital marriages. Diba? Sino ba rin conflict? Walang mga arguments? Walang problema sa mga asawa? So, ang Lord, ang tumitingin siya, ay yung love niya was transformed into
Kung ano ka dali? Dali nga rin dali. Dali nga rin, dali din niya. Ano na yun? Dali. Pangat ka dali lang.
nung nagkasala ng tao, and when somebody breaks their vows, the first thing that
Nahanap ko
comes
dali.
out from the land of that is, what you guess?
Joseph.
Mercy.
Mari.
Naawa ang Lord. That's why mercy is a form of love when someone breaks your vow. That's why mercy, naawa siya. Ang Lord naawa siya dahil nakasama siya, dahil nakakamali siya. Kaya, pag merong magkasama sa asawa, ay naaawa na kayo. And that mercy, awa, is a form of love.
Yan, disco light na. Yan, ang
Hindi ba, Brother Ambe? Ano na unang binahan ba siya dahil naaawa ka? O naaawa ka lang dahil mahal mo siya? Kaya tabigin ka.
Yun. Ano?
Ano dapat?
Ay!
Kinakasalat ko siya eh. Naaawa lang kasi ako eh. Naaawa siya dahil pinakasalat niya. Hindi ba? Kaya Lord, makukunan mo na yung pag-ibig. Pag-isip mo na, hindi na ako makukulay yung tao.
Kaya mo yan. Rinig ko lang. Salita. Bigla ka nagsalita ka rin. Sulat ko mo, galaya pala kami ng bangko.
At siya, when he breaks his vow, yung pag-ibig na yan ay number one nagiging awa.
Ito video ka tayo.
Parati ko hindi yung kasi
Guys, Ju makan guys.
mercy. May contest daw ka lang eh. Contest ka lang din pa eh. Eh, tinanong, question number 1 sa atin. What can you say about mercy healing? Sabi ng contestant, oh no! Mercy is my sister! And she's not a killer! Yun ang sagot.
Hindi pala ito na-zoom.
Hindi sis, hindi ka makakapag-zoom live.
So, kung mas na nililito, di ba ba yun? Kung mas awa siguro, will kill you. Di ba? Kaya, pag nagkasala, kumiti ang Lord sa window, nagkasala yung tao, magulong nagiging merciful. Nagiging maawain ang Lord. Kaya nga, nung makita ni Jesus Christ, ang mga tao, hindi nila alam ginagawa, naawa siya. Naawa siya sa mga tao dahil wala sila pag-ibig sa isa't isa. Ayan. So ngayon, pag nagkasala yung tao, number 1, mercy. Maawa. And then number 2, yung love na nagiging yes. Mercy.
Mahay ka po yan.
Patient. So patient is in form of love. O di ba yung mga
Gwapa.
sa nursing home? Walang kakamusta ng kaya ninyo. Sa atin natin ninyo? I don't know. Kasi hindi ang exercising patience. And patience is a form of love when your vows breaks. When your vows are broken, you exercise patience. And actually, probably Sister Lorraine, right? For 50 years of your life, your patience, right? Is a form of love. Because I know your story too. Because I was there also, right? So, patience is a form of love. Kasi hindi ko lang patience kayo ng mga asawa. Raise your hand. So, patience is a form of love. Kaya ako maganda yung asawa ko, pasyente na siya. Kasi, pinakapalan mo pagkain. Pinakapalan mo na parang pinakasabi ko patience. And patience is a form of love. And thank you for that sustainability. And number 3, pag nagkasama ng tao, hindi na for yung number 10 na hindi number 3, gracious. So number 1, mercy, patience, and graciousness. What is gracious? And grace. Don't you know that grace is very not for grace is charis. Diba? Kaya pag may anak na kambal, wala. Diba? So pag may kambal kayo, charis and grace is the same thing. So yung grace is unmerited favor. Ano ba yung unmerited favor? Yung ginagawa mo, na walang kapalit. O, sino yung nagmamahal sa kanya ng isawa ko na gagawin ko ito para bigyan niya ako ng kape kinabukasan, di ba? O, luluto ako ng breakfast para siya magluto ng mapulat, di ba? That's a grace. That is a transactional relationship in the words of the lips of God. Amen? So graciousness is ginagawa ang kusang yun sa iyong asawa dahil mahal mo siya. Hindi dahil meron kang hinihingi kapalit ng mundo. Eh, parang bigyan natin ng maraming gift. Ito ba? And I get that I learned graciousness from Abraham. For 50 years in the marriage, his graciousness to Sister Lorraine and the patience of Sister Lorraine, right? That's what I learned from the 50 years. And brothers have learned graciousness to his children, especially in Philippines, di ba? O di ba kahit matanda na, wala pa kayong pamilya dito, di ba nagpapadala mo? Wala pa kayong pamilya dito sa Pilipinas. That is graciousness. Willingly.
Joshua, malaki ito ganda ka.
Amen mo ba? Amen. So that's the grace that we learn from the realities of marriage. Yan, so saan na natin sisig?
Anak, baba ka nga muna anak ko.
Nagapay ko daw.
Right, so sa ating wedding vows, usually first ring ng kasal. Yun ang ginagamit ngayon 50 years, pero parang hindi yata usunod ko. Hindi usunod. Kaya ngayon, ay meron tayong bagong rings. Okay? Marriage tayo for the renewal of vows. So on your wedding day, you exchange the rings. On our wedding day, our first wedding day, we exchange rings. And the pastor, the priest, or whoever official has
yung bulaklak
of the ring. And these rings, actually, these rings are symbol of continuous, because it's a circle. Triangle, it's square. That's why it's a circle. It's a circle. It's continuous. It's incessant. It's like rain. It's like grace. It comes from heaven. Amen? So, these rings are a symbol of the continuous love and commitment to make each other every day. Much like the love for one another, these wedding bands can survive great pressure and they will endure the test of time. So, will you please stand, please? So, una muna si okay, yeah. So, repeat after me. Yeah. Right, so please repeat after me.
You could say it's only the lasting symbol of my love for you and our marriage. It shall always be born around your finger, and you will always come to my heart.
Yeah, dito na lang sa kabila. Okay, so Sister Lorraine, please repeat after me.
I, Lorna Guzman, give you this ring as an everlasting symbol of my love for you. In our marriage, it always be found around your finger, and you always be found around my heart.
And friends, I am over to pronounce Gabriel and Lorna as once again, happily married as a wedding minister of British Columbia. May the renewal of your vows strengthen the love you share and reappear your commitment
Dapat idan sa amin, peso ni blaklak sa bitin.
to share this and seal the renewal of your vows for another 50 years of your life or in eternity with peace.
Sam, dito! Ganda mo yun sa amin, dali ng blaklak mama.
So, ladies and gentlemen, my brothers and sisters, guys, a big round. I once again present Mr.
Oy, dali dito sa amin.
and Lorna Guzman,
Sam!
their commitment, renewal this day for all to see.
Yun sa amin.
We feel with joy and our love be forever with our people until the Lord's will happen. Amen.
Oy, damo ni Papa. Tapos dali ni Mama.
My mom, she's 16, and my dad is 17. When they get married, they have me when my mom is 18. They have my mom have my youngest sister when she was 26, and I have my daughter and my eldest daughter when I was 36. So for 50 years married, isa po akong witness sa pagmamahalan ng my mom and my dad. Because I know it's not perfect. Well, I was so lucky, my family is so lucky because I can now we're still together. Some people say that love consists of praying and heart. But my mom used her mind over her heart. But I thank God because even my dad is not perfect. He loves us so what happened to you and to your brother and sister. You are my right hand. You have to help me or else I cannot do it by myself. You have to help me. That's why I study hard, I work hard, I got married last. But it's fine. Because my mom, I cannot leave her. Because she did too much for us. Maybe my dad knows what he did. But even if she's like this, he never left my mom. He never left the family. He never made a family with me broken. Because I know some families, if they did something wrong, it's gonna be broken. My mom told me that, don't do it. You have to go to court. I cannot do it by myself. You have to help me. That's why I study hard. I work hard for my brothers and sisters and for mom. My dad, to be honest with you, I saw his mama, but I have to tell this because mama deserves it. I know you deserve it. Mama, you deserve it too because even that's what happened. You never lived, mama. Sa gabi ni mas, sa kanya pa rin umuwi. That's what even my dad did a mistake. Every time we still go to my mom's place, they'll still sleep together. When I was in their house sometimes, they said, come, let's sleep together. No, I'm done with you, my mom said, but my dad, I'm telling you guys, my dad cannot sleep sometimes. My mom is the one who's out. Because they still love each other. But my dad, I was still thanking to you because hindi mo pinabayaan na maging broken tayo. Kami mali ang pinili mo, kami mali ang nasa sabi mo. Nagkahit ka mali ka, I know. Pero sinahal mo mali kami. My dad had 4 children outside. Kasi po ako ang tatay ko. Sabi ko, makikita ka na, malaki ka mo, bakit malaki ka gusto kayo? But I know why. Sabi ko, bakit mo kami na gusto ko? But I know why because my dad napakabait ang tatay ko. Napakabait po yan. Hindi na po kaya iwanan. Yan na po ang masabi sa tatay ko. Napakabait niya. But my mom is the best. Mas super bait siya. Dahil hindi na pinabayaan na mawasak ang pamilya. Binilang niya si J.R. na tunay na anak niya. Pero tatlo hindi namin ginawa. Tatlo is enough. Bahala ng tatlo. Pero Papa, I was so thankful to you dahil hindi ka nag-give up. Hindi ka nag-give up para sa amin kasi sabi mo, pag nag-give up ako, kawawa kayo. Pag-isipin ko ang puso ko na sasaktan, kawawa kayo, I don't want it na iwanan. Pero alam ko na kung bakit you stay together. Alam ko na kung bakit at alam ko na dahil nanay na rin ako, hindi ko kaya iwanan ng anak ko. That's why you stay. Kaya, ayaw ko magpahabakin pa kasi marami, but then I was so glad and I was so thankful to the Lord that until now we're still together. You are the last, you're the first, and you're the last, and you're the winner, Mama. And hopefully, Papa, that's it. That's it, no more. I hope so. Daniel, maybe, and who knows, maybe in another 25 years we'll do this celebration again. I love you both. And sana, I don't know, parating ko yung 50 years of marriage, and hopefully, sabi nga ng asawa ko, kahit matantanso, masaya na tayo. Dahil, now, I'm 48, and my daughter is 12. If I still wait, yeah, you're 11. And if I still wait for how many years for my 50 years of marriage, ewan ko pa. Because my Alana is 78, she's already dementia, and by that time, I'm always 80, ewan ko na kasi baka hindi na siguro. But still, I'm glad I will celebrate, we'll celebrate the 50 years together. I love you both, Mama and Papa.